Man, look at this shit, bro. Look at this shit, bro. Look at this shit, bro. Man. Look at this, bro. Look at this.
No, bro, I thought you was turning.
No, man, how? How? No, man, how? I'm in the second lane. I'm in the second lane, man. How, bro? How, man, how? Bro, what the fuck, man? Nigga, you turned out. You turned out. How the fuck I hit you? Man, shut the fuck up, bro. She turned out in front of me. I'm in the second lane. How do you think I'm turning? How does she think I'm fucking turning, bro? Man, what the fuck, dog? You can't turn. You can't turn. What's going on, guys? Y'all see what's going on. Took the bumper off. Well, the bumper's already off. Took all the extra shit was in there. Took the fender, obviously. And then I'm on the way to go grab another power steering reservoir because mine's cracked. That's the worst place I've ever seen them put something. Because every time the power steering revolves, motherfucker hit the front of that bitch. So, but y'all see what's going on. Fender ordered, bumper ordered, hood ordered, headlight ordered. Ain't stopping shit. We'll be back soon. Just luckily it didn't fuck up too much. So, and not too much my wheel. But now I got curb rash. And this fucking, well, not even curb rash. It's got fucking scrape on that side. Curb rash on this side. Alright, man. I just had to go to O'Reilly for this, AutoZone for this. Because I got back home and realized that these are just motherfucking, what's it called? Allen key bolts. So you need a wrench like this. I'm all y'all about to see me do what it do. Cause I ain't got time to let this motherfucker just be sitting here like this. I'm still gonna drive it. Why this shit fucked up like that? I don't care. So, they do it. Bro, that shit was way harder than it looked like, bro. I really had to take out like 5 different screws. I couldn't even get to this one, so I had to take out the whole thing. They literally got a little bracket right there. Then the bracket was pushing into that bracket, and then this bracket was pushing into this bracket. Man, stop playing with me, dog. So you guys see it. Old one, new one. Okay, I have successfully put it back together. Now, all I have to do, throw this hose back on, throw these connectors, oh my God, throw these connectors back in, and then it's 1 hole, 2 hole, and then that's it to hold them in. 2 holes, 2 screws. Let's get this back together. All right, man. I'm back out here and I read that you have to put this exact number in of power steering fluid. And this one says GM and MSC 1995. Man, fuck all that shit, bro. I'm just about to go grab the right one. All right, man. I finally just got finished. You see. Yeah, though. We back good, though. So, that was light. But that shit was tedious as fuck, so glad I got that experience out the way. About to put this motherfucker back in the driveway. Yeah, man, this motherfucker still run. That bitch is just some weird shit. When I turned it on, I was pressing the gas, and it wouldn't rev. Like, it wouldn't do shit. So I don't know what was going on with that gas pedal. Or I don't know if it's something with my battery that's going on, but this motherfucker be acting like it don't want to turn on. And there's always some weird ass shit. Whenever you turn that bitch on and it do something, you gotta turn it back off and turn it back on. I've been working on that for like 3 hours. So, guess what I'm about to do? Take my ass in the crib. We got a 2013 Chrysler 300. It takes this type of power steering. All right, man. Y'all see what's going on. We got the yaps. We got the headlights, man. Too fucking bad. I had to revert back to the old headlights. I know I could have just went and picked these ones up again, but shit, that was circumstantial. We about to put these headlights back on. That nigga G talking about something. I hope you ain't putting shit on by yourself. You damn skippy. Shit, my car couldn't even fucking turn. The power steering shit was fucked up, man. Couldn't even turn the bitch. See what you need to be said, bro. I'm not about to drive. Fuck you talking about, bro? You know how I move, bro. You know how I move.
You told me Saturday, bro.
You could, bro. Look at this shit. We're gonna put these on and call it a day. Damn. Just from sitting in the motherfucking grass. Let's do it, man. Alright, man. See? Headlights on. These two took the 3 screws. This one didn't. I'm not sure if I'm currently gonna replace this radiator support bracket or this core support bar, whatever the fuck. But we'll get into it. Only thing that's missing is this. On this support bar is that. And then obviously the hole in the bottom to screw in the headlight. But it still holds on pretty fine. And if I was to put the bumper on, all I need is the fender to hold the bumper up. So, do I really need to do it? Not really. Will I do it? Probably so. So, that being said, I have to order another pair of these headlights. So, I'll just have one sitting around for whenever. Well, that's cool. I should have learned from last time. I literally just sold my extra pair of headlights and taillights like 2-3 weeks ago. And this happens. So, it is what it is. I see it, man. Ooh. Big gap in. So that is the bumper. We're in for the fender. The fender wasn't there yet, so I gotta go back, go get the fender whenever it drop. But as y'all can see, this motherfucker here, man. I'm about to let it. I'm about to let this bitch unravel or unfold. Y'all know, as y'all know, when you order a bumper online, this bitch gotta unfold. And it's about to be fucking June, and it's still cold as shit out here, bro. Any other year, it would have been warm as fuck right now. But no, we stuck in this bitch still wearing Tex and shit. So, as you guys can see, hold on, let me go grab my other bumper. Hey, the new one kind of look a little better, not gonna lie, on that side. But anyways, so y'all can see, I gotta take this out, put it in there, and then take this part out down here, put it in there. Unfortunately, I might not have no fog lights. So as you can see, I have one here, but on this side, the fog light is nowhere to be found. All right, as you guys can see, the bumper is almost fully assembled. It just needs, I need to get another fog light thing. So I don't want it to look like that. Obviously. Fuck. I want my shit to look like this. I want it to like that on that side. You see on that side it doesn't have it, so I have to order another one. Obviously. So we come here, come around here. And we put the car in accessory mode. And we turn on the lights. We have the weakest of the lights. LED new auxiliary lights. We're going to upgrade. Now, as you guys can see, I have the lights. As you guys can see, it exposes the light that you guys need to unclip. There's the lights. Just for comparison, Yeah. We have the old light and we have the Onthedreside light. This light will be much better. Install like so. Turn right till it clicks. Grab the extension. Grab the other extension. And then we click together. And that's all for the install. That's heat. See, it's blue now. Don't orange. It's heat. Hey, these bitches bright as fuck too. Look, bro, it's the daytime, bro. It's daytime, and this shit literally hot, bro. That's crazy. I'm not even exaggerating, bro. This is literally daytime, and it's brighter than the sun. Go tap in on Onthedreside, man, for them LED lights. LEDs, whatever you need, bro. Oh, it's my thing right there, so I can see it. But yeah, man. Onthedreside, link in the bio. Wait, bro. If I need LEDs, I need HIDs. Y'all can grab 20. Y'all can get 20% off when y'all use my link in the description below. Man, I ain't gonna lie. These are some crazy lights, man. See that? Daytime, really. That's crazy. Yeah. Damn. What?
That bitch came out the box like that. Ain't nobody bendy. I'm like, we ain't even handle that bitch that hard to be bending it like that.
Alright, man. We done finished fender. I'm finna finish the bitch. This shit ass. I'm not gonna lie. Now I'm looking at it like this. This shit ass than a motherfucker.
Who car was gonna try the team?
Damn. What?
Who car was gonna try the cam?
Shit. Yeah, we can cam in shit first. Just in case that bitch go through the block.
Bitch, I'm gonna have my little niggas gonna tab this bitch. What you talking about?
Niggas always swear they got some little niggas.
You think I ain't got no
little niggas.
I got YN.
He got some snitch niggas.
That one shit. He working that one shit.
Got me some YNs on speed dial.
Straight snitch niggas.
I'll call right now. Watch this. Y'all niggas?
Hell no, nigga, what that?
I got jumped.
You got jumped? By who?
Some little niggas.
Some little niggas? Get my gun.
Alright, man. As I can see, I'm here grabbing bumper clips, bro. I got 3 bumper clips, even though I only need 1. Just to make sure, just in case I don't need no other shit. But as I can see, bro, we have the junkyard with it, man. You know what I'm saying? Tech on. Like you say, good work tech. Fat ass junkyard. But yeah, shit, I just had another junkyard, ain't had shit. But here, I done pro'd up 3 of these bitches. So I might see if I can pro 1 more before I leave this bitch. But this really should work. But I ain't gonna lie. This one looks the best. This one right here. That one. Alright, man. As y'all can see, putting the bumper back together. Got them bumper clips. I put them wrong on. I put them on the wrong way. I put the left one on the right and the right on the left. So the shit was all fucked up. But nah, it should be good. I need another one of these to go into the bumper. And then I need another core support, as y'all already know, for that to line up. Because it's a little bracket thing that go right here that this supposed to push in. And as y'all can see, this motherfucking fender is not the best. But we're making progress, man. Alright, man, as y'all can see, core support done, old support out, you know what I'm saying? Bumper lined up. Finally, the key is to put the headlight on after and then make sure that bitch lined up. Which y'all see how much I was missing on the core support versus this side. So we got that all together. Appreciate my nigga G. You know what I mean? My nigga Mike. Quan helped a little. Nah, he ain't help us, he helped you. But you know what I'm saying? About to put the bumper back on and I'm gonna show y'all how it is finished. You know what I'm saying? Alright, man, as y'all can see, this boy is fully put back together. I ain't put the hood back on because I like it like that. But right now, this is cool for me. So, appreciate y'all tapping in, man. There's gonna be a video, put my car back together in 7 days. So, I think that's what I'm gonna title it. Motherfucker looking nice. Everything put together, everything cool. I'm editing the video and I realized I didn't give y'all a proper outro or a proper look of the car after I finished. Full walk around of the car after I finished it. So, this is the finished project, you know what I mean? None of the back was messed up. Only this right passenger side. Fat gap, you need to get that pushed in. This fender, you need to get that figured out. Feet, don't say nothing. These little clips, gotta go get them. The ones I bought were no good. They didn't curve like this. So, you need to go get new ones. Even on my old 300, I done spent a lot of money on these little inserts. They used to always fly out. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, Dre Money, on the Dre side, whatever you want to call me. You know what I'm saying? This is my side, come rock with me. I post videos almost every week. But with that being said, let's get it. Yee!
Me and Dre on the flight locked in. Pull up playing in that whip, you gon' get boxed in. Never pressed by the bitch, I hit niggas top 10s. On my way back to the city, bitch, I gotta clock in.
I mean, A at the O, yeah, we drop about 10. Freaky bitches at the B&B, I want the best friend. Say you wanna have fun, little nigga tap in.